Good day, dear friends! You're on the Crypto Samurai channel. Over the past few years, cryptocurrency has become one of the flagship of the creation of the future world and is firmly intentioned in the idea of the future. Undoubtedly, this is a hot field for making many discoveries that need to be worked on. But nothing will work without a reliable and universal blockchain. Today we will talk about Q blockchain, a project that has become revolutionary. Get comfortable, we are getting started. Before starting this video, do not forget to click the subscribe button and also go to my social networks, so as not to miss a lot of new and useful information. Q blockchain is a decentralized blockchain with its own currency that uses the functionality of creating fungible and non-fungible assets. The possibilities of Q are truly endless. Users can create their own decentralized applications or tokens in accordance with the Q20 protocol standard. Q blockchain is positioned for Web 3.0, Metaverse, low transaction NFTs, DeFi, and everything in the future. Smart contracts are effective because they replace intermediaries and can replace the entire banking system as we know it by automating functions. Thanks to the use of modern technologies, the project manages to keep the fees as low as possible, almost 1,000 times less than Ethereum, which ensures very low slippage in all use cases. Let's look at the main advantages of this project. Firstly, the Q blockchain is truly decentralized, since there was no ICO, and users can only get QE cryptocurrency through buying on exchanges or mining. Secondly, the platform is open source for running decentralized applications, which allows the development of one strong, scalable ecosystem. Thirdly, the capabilities of the blockchain allow processing 10 times more transactions than SWIFT. Thus, Q can be used for a wide range of innovative applications in finance, web browsing, gaming, advertising, DeFi, identity management, Web 3.0, Metaverse, and supply chain management around the world. The future of Q blockchain is planned for many years. At least that's what you can tell from the total supply of Q, which is 150 million coins and will be mined for about 100 years. The current mining reward is 2Q per block, which will decrease to 0.02Q over time as difficulty increases. Such a cheap result would not have happened without a strong team. The Q blockchain team consists of 80 developers who are actively working on the future of their project. At the same time, the project is supported by many large venture capital funds. One private equity firm is Enrich Capitalisation, an award-winning private equity firm in South Africa's largest province. All possible services and technologies offered are combined into one large ecosystem. For example, it is worth mentioning in how Air NFT trading platform, using the already mentioned Qcoin. How Air is actively working with NFT. Also, the marketplace will soon open a physical goods section for luxury goods authentication. For example, a Rolex watch. Merchants will be able to add their tokens IDs to items and match them on the Q blockchain for an authentication to make sure it's real. Another important branch in the development of the ecosystem was the decentralized exchange QDEX. QDEX is a decentralized exchange and simple token generator. Here you can get reward in QDEX tokens for staking Q on DEX. There will be 21 billion QDEX tokens in total. The DEX commission of 0.3% is shared among the liquidity providers in proportion to the sum of their stakes. Users also receive lower trading fees when staking 30,000 Q coins. What about banking? WorthX Banking is a cheap money transfer partnership with MTN with 200 million users that they intend to launch in the second quarter of 2023. It seems to me that Q blockchain creates a truly strong ecosystem that will be a breakthrough in understanding business and networking. The uniqueness of this project was also noticed by many media outlets. You can personally read numerous articles and make sure of the reliability and promising future of this project. Also, I recommend that you subscribe to the social networks of the project, so as not to miss important information or various announcements. Who own the information, own the world. Do not neglect this wonderful rule. In the conclusion, I would like to draw attention to the Our Hooligans collection. This collection consists of 10,000 NFTs of the largest cities, which was developed for use in the game. I think you should take a closer look at her, because soon she may be heard. Q blockchain is a multifaceted project of the future that you can interact with now. I recommend that you personally evaluate it and become its full-fledged users. All the necessary links can be found in the description under the video.